Mastering Time: 6 Stoic Strategies to Beat the Time Wasters. Ever find yourself caught in a whirlwind of tasks, only to realize that time has slipped through your fingers like grains of sand? If so, you're not alone. Let's embark on a journey to conquer time wasters and reclaim control over our most precious resource. In the pursuit of productivity and fulfillment, effective time management is essential. Yet, many of us struggle with this skill, grappling with distractions and procrastination that hinder our progress. The challenge lies not only in managing our time but also in combating the time wasters that threaten to derail our efforts. Consider the detrimental effects of time wasters on our lives. From mindless scrolling on social media to procrastinating on important tasks, these habits not only diminish our productivity but also chip away at our mental well-being. We find ourselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of distractions vying for our attention, leaving us feeling unfulfilled and dissatisfied. However, in the realm of Stoicism, we discover a treasure trove of wisdom to combat these time wasters head-on. Here are 6 Stoic strategies to help us reclaim our time and live with purpose. Number 1. Reflect on your actions. Self-reflection is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, enabling us to evaluate our choices and behaviors with clarity and objectivity. Take time to assess how you're spending your time and identify any patterns or habits that may be undermining your productivity. This introspection empowers you to make conscious choices that align with your goals and values. Number 2. Learn to say no. As our lives become increasingly busy, it's crucial to learn the power of saying no. By setting boundaries and declining commitments that don't align with our priorities, we protect our time and energy for the pursuits that truly matter. Number 3. Embrace challenges. Rather than shying away from difficulty, Stoicism encourages us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. By reframing obstacles as stepping stones on the path to success, we cultivate resilience and fortitude in the face of adversity. Number 4. Set clear priorities. The key to effective time management lies in setting clear priorities. Identify your values and goals and allocate your time and resources accordingly. This clarity enables you to discern between tasks that move you closer to your objectives and those that merely consume your time. Number 5. Practice mindfulness. In a world filled with constant stimulation, mindfulness offers a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos. By cultivating awareness of the present moment, we can resist the allure of distractions and stay grounded in our priorities. Number 6. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism teaches us to differentiate between what is within our sphere of influence and what lies beyond it. By directing our energy towards the aspects of our lives that we can control, we free ourselves from the grip of external distractions and focus on what truly matters. I vividly recall a time when I was ensnared in the trap of procrastination, constantly putting off important tasks in favor of fleeting distractions. However, by incorporating these Stoic strategies into my daily life, I was able to break free from this cycle and reclaim control over my time. Through mindfulness, prioritization, and self-reflection, I transformed my relationship with time and unlocked a newfound sense of purpose and productivity. In essence, mastering time requires more than just efficient scheduling. It demands a fundamental shift in mindset and behavior. By embracing Stoic principles such as focusing on what we can control, practicing mindfulness, setting clear priorities, embracing challenges, learning to say no, and reflecting on our actions, we can transcend the grip of time wasters and live with intentionality and purpose. I challenge you to embark on your own journey to conquer time wasters by implementing these Stoic strategies into your daily routine. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below, and together, let's unlock the power of mastering time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and Stoic wisdom.